As Europeans, we never think about the tax because the price that you see is the price that you pay. This is definitely new. I've never seen it before. It's a New York exclusive. What do we think about that? Oh my god, guys, look at this little teddy bear bag. And you can probably only fit cards and keys, lipstick, and an investment in your wardrobe because this is a bag you would treasure forever. Because I miss my bags. I mean, they've been in storage for like 6 months now. They are so delicious. That's definitely a way to still enjoy this rainy day. Another rainy day with Black Fox coffee because that's my favorite New York coffee. So today we're gonna go up and down Madison Avenue and see what we find. We just made it to... Woo! Okay, I just have to run across the street. We just made it to Madison Avenue and they've got all the boutiques here. Just across the street there is LANVIN. We're gonna drop into that in a second. They got another rear here. I had no idea. So yeah, let's just see what we find and enjoy this day, even though, you know, it's still raining like crazy. I really hope the rain's gonna stop by the time we go to the Hamptons. So, Madison Avenue, and there's Ralph Lauren. We're probably gonna see if they have furniture pieces. And this is the rear, so yeah, I would say, let's go. Okay guys, we are in the dry. Look at this beautiful tweed Chanel Coco handle. Still got stickers on as well. It's like entirely new. Oh my god, I think they've got such a beautiful selection. They might actually have the best selection we've seen so far. Oh, beautiful tweed boy. Look at these stunning, stunning bags. And here we got like a Kelly. Beautiful ton. Oh. Look at this one. Very rare Kelly with crocodile details. This little constant lizard wallet. Oh wow, I wonder if this is discoloration or if it's meant to have this ombre effect. Can you see it's a lot lighter and then it gets darker? Oh, so many beautiful bags, guys. Yeah, and this is a special order with the 2 colors. Look at the stitching, it's so stunning. And here we got a little denim Chanel 19 wallet on chain. Really, really cool. And Bottega. Oh, this is... I love Dionysus bags. Little fur baby for the autumn and winter. Oh, look at this. Stunning. What a beautiful mini Lady Dior. Oh, wow. And guys, we got Chanel Dior and more. Look at this from the Egyptian collection. Wow. Another little vintage baby. Look at this little Dior. Stunning, 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 stunning. I love this one. Oh, guys, this might be my highlight. This is a Lady Dior Mini in Himalayan. Wow. And it's got little crystals right there. Stunning.
I could come over there.
Here we have another Bottega, really cool Fendi in beige and black. And look at this little Louis Vuitton, that would go really, really well with my outfit today. Yeah. Really cool. What should we try on? Look at this Alma BB. Their bags are like new. You can see it doesn't have any patina yet. They're all store fresh. Apropos store fresh, what did I say? This is the stickers are still on. Stunning. And talking about Chanel, look at this. They got one of these teeny tiny little mini bags. Oh, how cute is that? And goes well with this total Chanel outfit. Look at this little Louis Vuitton. Oh my god, guys, they got so much nice stuff. Okay guys, I have to say this one's my favorite. Look at it, it's entirely new, it's store fresh, it's got the stickers on. It's cost $4,800 US plus tax, obviously. As Europeans, we never think about the tax because the price that you see is the price that you pay, but here in New York you always have to put the tax on top. Yeah, look at it. This is really, really stunning with the caviar handle. Yeah, that's my favorite one. Let me know what caught your attention. So yeah, look at this, guys. It's such a beautiful red. And there we got the price. Wait, it's so difficult with one hand. For $8. It's pre-owned but new. And she said I think it's from 2019, 2020. Yeah, this baby stole my heart. Okay guys, that was the rear reel. Now we're heading across the street quickly. Woo! To LANVIN. And here we got LANVIN. I can already see the wall of bags. Oh my god, let's go. Okay guys, oh my god, what about the fourth LANVIN bag? Look at this. They are so gorgeous. I'm in love with the gold. I still want the hobo bag in this kind of gold patent leather. Wow, so stunning. What about a python? That would go well with my outfit today as well. That would have so black. Oh guys, I'm loving LANVIN bags. This gold patent leather really has stolen my heart, but in the hobo style, actually. So the only question, by the way, I really like the stud one as well, but the only question is, do I want the small mini hobo or the large size again? Oh wow, is this rose gold? This is like a rose gold. I've never seen this before. Stunning. Because this is the regular like gold. That's definitely rose gold. Wow. Oh wow, so I didn't notice this because of the light, but this is rose gold as well. This is definitely new. I've never seen it before. Okay guys, so I just found out this is actually a New York LANVIN flagship store exclusive, the rose gold box bag. It only comes in this size and the smaller size. They didn't make it in the hobo. However, it's a New York exclusive. What do we think about that? It's really difficult to see it in this light. This is the regular gold and this is the rose gold, and it actually says Madison Avenue exclusive. Well, that's tempting, isn't it? What do you think? Schnuggle. This is a Madison Avenue exclusive. Oh, this is a rose gold. They only make it here.
Beautiful.
That's something else, huh? That is, yeah. And if you want something more edgy, how about this little hobo cat stud version? I've seen it once in the London boutique as well, and I really like it because it's gold hardware mixed with silver hardware. Yeah. But I mean, nothing can top this, right? Or what about python? That's you have to be a bit more careful with this one, but it's stunning as well. Well, that was a nice little surprise, a temptation.
What the
rose
special,
gold. Yeah. Well, guys, I planned glamorous outfits for New York.
Yeah,
but
the weather said no.
The weather said no, so we're just in Ralph Lauren right now looking at some furniture for our home. Guys, look at these beautiful flowers. This is 1950s glam, New York style. Should we have a quick look into Bottega Veneta to see if they've got anything special here? Just checking, guys, if they've got my dark green sardine bag anywhere. You know, I'm still hoping that that's happening, but she's just showing me this beautiful burgundy red. It's quite nice as well. I don't know if you can see the color properly. It's quite dark in this boutique. They got the dark green sardine only in Las Vegas and Miami, but this is the color. This is, it's not black. It has a little interesting touch to it. You know, from afar you could think it's black, but it's actually dark green. And I don't know why, I really love this color. And this one in the sardine is what I've been hunting for. So this color in this bag would be ideal. I think this little bag is called Andiamo. This is the more east-west kind of style. It's cute. I like it. I like the little knot there. But my heart, I think, is set on the dark green sardine. This is the black version. So you can see the dark green is quite close to it, but it's a little bit more interesting, this color, than just black again. I have enough black bags. I don't know if I like that it only has one handle. It's a bit weird. I think I would prefer if it had two handles. And the little mini sardine. These shoes are super cool as well with a knot. They got this dark brown as well. It looks good with my outfit, but That's their #1 selling color, by the way, but they don't have the dark green. The dark green sardine is nowhere to be found. Okay, I would say let's head into Chanel quickly. This is the one on Madison Avenue. The flagship store is on 57th Street, so we're gonna head there afterwards, I think, but let's see first what they've got. Oh my god, guys, look at this little teddy bear bag in Chanel from 23K. I've never seen this before. It's super cute. What do we think? Goes really well with my outfit today, even though we're drenched in water again and my Ugg boots are ruined with water stains. This is the perfect bag for autumn and winter. Yeah, let's head to the flagship store. They don't have so much new stuff here. This one's also super cool. Okay guys, Chanel 57th Street, that's their flagship store. Let's see what we find here. Wow guys, look at this. This is a gorgeous little blingy bag. I really like this one. It's gorgeous. So they don't have the Camellia, the black and white one, but they've got this one that we've seen in pink. This is like a black. You can't really see the camellias. I think the pink one was a lot nicer than this, to be honest. I just found this little small leather good. Oh, this is so gorgeous. It's $5,500 for a small leather good. I think that's quite a lot. And you can probably only fit cards and keys, lipstick, but it's so stunning. So far we've always been lucky with the weather in New York, but this time
So much.
not so much. And guys, let's drop into Celine quickly because I saw something really special.
Most of it is
Oh, is this the flagship store? Okay.
North
Yeah,
America.
but this is, I always wanted to have the natural lizard. Oh, guys, I cannot believe it. They've got the Celine Triomphe in the natural lizard. Oh my god. In London we only have the teen size in the lizard, the larger one that looks more like the box bag. Oh wow. I think they're around 5-6K. I don't know how much it is in dollars. 5-6K pound. Wow. Can't believe that I'm actually seeing this one. Yeah, what can I tell you? I'm in love. Oh, this is... Well, it would be an investment in your wardrobe. Don't know how the resale price for this one is, but like an investment in your wardrobe, because this is a bag you would treasure forever. And guys, Louis Vuitton, let's just have a quick look, because I think we're only gonna go across the street now to Bulgari, and then that's it for today. Let's see if they've got anything special, because it's right there. Okay guys, we are at Bulgari in New York, 5th Avenue, and let's see what they've got here. I'm speechless. It's such a beautiful shop, and let me just give you an overview. This is what we can look at today. And they've got crocodile pieces, they've got ostrich pieces, and this is the gold python that I really loved. And wow, look at this ostrich clutch. There we got carum in python. And this is, wow, so black serpentine pouch in mud alligator or crocodile with black hardware. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful carum in green, one of my favorites, and the stunning beauty. And here we got beautiful silver mirror effect. Oh wow. And they've got the diamond dust collection. All of these pieces are actually diamond dust, so that's why they're quite pricey. I think they're around £10,000, because all of this is diamond dust, real diamond dust. Look at the clasp, look at all the little Swarovski crystals. That's what quality is all about, right? So, shiny croc, beautiful colors, gorgeous. And there, I was thinking for a while of getting the Serpentine pouch in this beige white, but then I decided to go for my little Serpentine top-handed bag. That one, because I wanted it in all three colors, black, white and crystal. I have not had the chance to try this ostrich baby on in person yet. That's new for me too. absolutely stunning again. It's really risky if bags go with your current outfit that you're wearing on the day, because then you're more inclined to like buy something. Because yeah, that's quite nice, no? Let's have a look on the inside. It's beautiful beige leather. All of these, no matter if it's the small size or the large size, all of these come with shoulder straps, and then you can put these hooks up and attach your shoulder strap. So it's a clutch but also a shoulder bag. And let me just show you the diamond dust one more time, because it's absolutely, if you want a black and gold bag but with something really special. I mean, can you see how they're glistening, how shiny the little diamond dust particles are? Who else has a bag like this, you know? You're gonna be one of a kind. And of course, I got this in the first edition. The first edition that came out had the gold on top, and then it was going over into silver. This one starts with the more silver crystals going into gold. Yeah, there you can see it better, the effect. So this is probably my absolute favorite bag. I can't wait to get all my bags back once the house is finally renovated and done, and you know, because I miss my bags. I mean, they've been in storage for like 6 months now, so I want my babies back and wear them. Just really like trying these bags on make me miss my own bags. But yeah, it's stunning, isn't it? Wow, there we can see the effect fully. Stunning. Okay guys, so one last look. Look at this, the buildings are blending into the sky again. Okay, we need lunch now, and I think that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. Look guys, what I do for you to get you footage. Okay, I love you and see you soon. Let's ignore the rain and just see New York for what it is. It's so beautiful, guys. Woo! And there's the Empire Hotel. And look at this, some magnolia cupcakes. They are so delicious. That's definitely a way to still enjoy this rainy day. And we're just on our way to Chelsea Market. And do these streets not remind us of Sex and the City? And we're here. Chelsea Market. Oh, hello Google. The Google offices are right opposite from Chelsea Market. And the World Trade Center at night. Mwah. Let's get some pizza.